So can you really make work optional in 10 years or less? Or is that some bullshit? Well, the answer is a surprising yes. And it's all thanks to one powerful principle. The FIM1 financial independence makes...
Take the next right onto Mary Slocum Road Southwest, Pelham Road, then turn left onto Anderson Road.
The FIM1 financial independence makes work optional now movement is a great example of the Kaizen philosophy in action.
Take the second left onto Anderson Road, Mary Slocum Road Northeast.
Y'all get to listen to my GPS with me today. I gotta go pick my daughter up and meeting at a new location.
Continue on Anderson Road for 3 miles.
And I don't want to miss any turns, and I don't want to be late. So you get to listen to the GPS with me. I apologize. All right. We should be on this straightaway here in a second. Boom. The FIM1 financial independence makes work optional now is a movement that I started. Well, I guess I coined it FIM1 instead of FIRE. I just twisted it a little bit because not a whole lot of people, if you do retire in 10 years, or it only takes you 10 years and you're only starting at 20 and you're 30 years old, you're probably not really healthy to not do shit. So make work optional now. Maybe you want to work 1 day a week. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel. Maybe you want to be a TikToker. Maybe you want to go photograph animals outside like you're in fucking National Geographic. I don't know. Maybe you want to be an underwater basket weaver. Whatever the hell you want to do, then that's why I call it make work optional now. So if you feel like setting an alarm clock, or if you don't, if you feel like going bag groceries, or if you feel like going deliver parts at Napa or Advance Auto, then you carry your happy ass to the part-time job and you do it. If you don't feel like it, then you don't have to do it. Or maybe you just want to Uber. Maybe you want to DoorDash for a few days a week. We're making work optional in 10 years or less, no matter if you're starting from a bad position. I know a guy, my main mentor, named Dion McNeely, also known as the Lazy Landlord. He started his journey at 40 years old with $89,000 in bad debt. Guess what? 10 years later, in 8 years, he was financially independent. He did not have to work after 8 years. And then he retired 3 years ago. So it took him 10 years, but he could have done it sooner. Anyway, that's my little side tangent for this video. Let's get back to the script here. Alright, can you really make work optional in 10 years or less? The answer is a surprising yes, and it's all thanks to one powerful principle. The FIM1 financial independence makes work optional now movement is a great example of the Kaizen philosophy. It's not about a single perfect plan. It's about a series of small, consistent improvements to your savings rate and your investing and your income.
Mile, turn left onto US 117 North.
Each tiny step, saving an extra $20 or learning a new skill that boosts your earnings, that boost your earning power, add to the next, just like a snowball. The path to financial independence is not a sprint.
Take the next left onto US 117 North.
It's a marathon of small, continuous improvements that create compounding returns. So, let's go ahead and do it.
Continue on US 117 South for 2 miles.
Before I talk about my free Kaizen Kickstart checklist in the description, the easiest way, on a side note, to guarantee